Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your freelance strategy with Fiverr easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Fiverr website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the Selling tab from the main dashboard. Click on Create a Gig to start outline. Begin by selecting a clear and compelling title for your gig. Next, choose the category that fits your service best. Add relevant tags that will help potential clients find your gig. Set a competitive price by researching similar gigs in your niche. After that, define your service package options, including basic, standard, and premium. Provide a detailed description of your offering, highlighting your unique selling points. Incorporate FAQs to address common queries potential clients might have. Next, choose a professional cover image that represents your service visually. Consider adding a video introduction to make your gig stand out. Once your gig is set up, review all the details to ensure accuracy. Preview your gig to see how it will appear to potential. Finally, click Publish to make your gig live on the Fiverr marketplace. Monitor your gig's performance and adjust details as needed based on feedback and trends. Utilize Fiverr's analytics tools to track your sales and client interactions effectively. Stay active on the platform by responding quickly to inquiries and messages. Regularly update your gig to reflect any changes in pricing or services offered. By following these steps, you can refine your freelance strategy and enhance your presence on Fiverr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.